Ibalik na po yung ibunuto na magbalik. Sakto ba ni? O sala? Okay. Sala po na sila. Sige. Ayun sala ko. May question pa. I-question mo ni ate, tapos imong ko ba ito? Alam, naglibugay ko English, matay niya. Ha? Ang judge ko na mo question.
Pagpili o judging 1, 2,
3. Wala lang karitso daw. Sige.
So, judge number 1, question number 2.
Tagay mo eh. Tara Kuya 1. Hi, good evening, candidate number 1. Hi.
Hello.
Okay, here's your question. Nag-ipanas po. Okay, here's your question. So, if your mother told you to buy food and she said no more change, but it is so happened there is a change, what will you do with the money? Again, if your mother told you to buy food and she said no more change, but it is so happened there is a change, what will you do with the money? Answer daw? Sa bibi?
Buy food for all of my family.
Okay, buy food to all. Mana? Please korang English eh. Ako sa batangan, di ba? Sige mo kalat guys. Okay, thank you so much, candidate number 1. Wala na tayo. Ito lang anaon nila kayo maglisod.